Guys, watch as Davido and Chioma ignored and humiliated Chief Dangote at their wedding. Guys, Davido and Chioma are crowned or are awarded the most disrespectful couple in Nigeria 2025 for suspending the hand of Chief Dangote, the most richest man in Africa, an elderly person, Davido's godfather, at their wedding in the presence of everyone. This is really embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Watch, watch, watch. This is embarrassing. I feel so bad for him, guys. My God. Look at Chioma. Look at that pretender. Look at Chioma. Look at. Oh,